DELF A1 is a course designed for absolute beginners in the French language. Whether you're just starting out or you have had some exposure to French before, this course will provide you with the fundamentals which will help you build a strong foundation in the language. Here's a basic overview of what you'll be learning in this course. Basic French vocabulary and grammar, how to communicate in simple French sentences, how to understand basic French conversations, how to read and write simple French texts. Now let's get to what our A1 course offers. You will be having live interactive classes with our qualified mentor, structured lessons to make sure you learn while having fun, regular feedback to help you improve your mistakes and learn from them, and daily homework to keep you on track. Now, why should you choose La Forêt? Well, here are some perks that we provide with our courses. Our mentors will provide you with personalized support to help you achieve your goals. If you miss a class, we provide you with the recording of the class, so you don't really miss out. You'll have access to not one but two instructors, a main faculty and an assisting faculty, to provide you with additional support. You'll also have access to a variety of digital resources including notes, videos, and exam materials. Hence, if you're ready to learn French, our DELF A1 course is the perfect place to start. With our experienced instructors, supportive community, and comprehensive curriculum, you'll be on your way to mastering the basics of French. Sign up for our DELF A1 course today and start speaking French in no time.